Where's James?
Hello, mate.
Better. I'm going to set up my first one and my last one,
Okay,
and then I'll set up a little string line.
cool.
Lovely jubbly. So it can be done really well, I think. They're so nice, aren't they? I've got to write my numbers down,
Okay,
otherwise I forget them.
otherwise forgetting.
Just always forgetting. Well, these spade bits aren't very good.
Good job, you're tall.
I did have a laser
I'm
line.
not tall, I've just got really long arms.
I did have a laser line, but you're on.
Oh, I can see it.
laser line's there.
Oh,
I can't see
they're
it.
going to be tight, those.
I just can't see it here though. That's the other thing.
Quite a tight.
Tip.
I can hold it up, but I can't push it anywhere, so you'll have to push it over until you can.
That's the one.
Oh, fantastic.
It's really nice when you do that.
375 off of the wall. So yeah, all I do is measure 375 off of this external wall, and then that'll give me a 400 centre. Then I measure my 400 centres off of that 375. Then when we come to put our plasterboard on, we've got absolutely no offcut off of that plasterboard. So it'll be 2.4 and it'll land slap bang on a stud there.
So you do horizontal plasterboard?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
apart from the fact you've got a doorway?
Yeah, well, 2.4 gets us there. I know we've got a doorway, but that's how you normally do it.
Yeah, that's fine. That's all right. I'm only being mischievous then.
Yeah. Do you know what, that works out quite nice, because right there is my 1200 centre anyways, so it'll work slap bang on where that door lining goes anyways.
Oh, so you do it vertically?
Do you know what, that one might actually go vertically. It's better to go vertically, and it's right next to the door lining.
What's it going to stop?
You'll have to keep that dust on that lens.
Just make your hand really steady across.
Bang on.
Is it?
All the way through. Within a mil. I'm going to have to tell James off. His blockworks a mil out from that side to this side. That means I'm going to have to do... It is. It's a millimetre out from... Unless it's my joist work. Could be my joist work.
Okay.
Pull that over a mil.
molded like a tennis racket, for example. Put that on the strings in. I figured out. I'll show it to you. I figured out only at the weekend when I was doing my deck.